Hello, in this video I want to show you how to hide developer options on your EMPORIA Smart phone. So in order to do this, first we'll need to see it, and I'm just navigating right now to enable them. So let's move to the About This Phone tab. Here we'll need to click on build number multiple times, and we should enable it by entering our password as well. Now we have it. Let's check it out in the system settings, advanced, and here's developer options. So to hide them, click on it and disable it right here, like that, and they're gone. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.